Alright, we're giving away a chef's knife here. Anything on Amazon, $30 or under. The Babish chef's knife video is the first one that really kind of blew up for this channel, got a good amount of views, so I want to pay that forward, help another home cook start their cooking journey. This is going to be United States only just because of the, issues that you have with taxes and giveaways on YouTube in the US. But here are the rules for those people that are eligible. You got to be subscribed, you got to comment what was your favorite video on this video, and then email me, email address below, a copy of the screenshot that shows that you're subscribed and you subbed. I want to pick the winner next Friday, the 29th of March, and just pick a chef's knife that's your favorite, that's around that price point, and I will just have it shipped to you. This Babish one is really great, so if that's the one you want, that's totally cool. They also have other ones that are similar to it. I don't get a cut of this, it doesn't do me any benefit to give this away. I'm just paying for it out of my pocket to thank you guys for watching and helping this channel out. So let me know, comment below. I hope to do more of these throughout the history of this channel and, give them away, maybe some subscriber milestones, 5,000, 10,000. But thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to give this away next Friday, so make sure you enter, email me, all the good jazz, more info on it down below, and thank you guys all for being part of this.